Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered what's the difference between a state and a nation? We often use both these words, but in political science, both the words have different meaning. Let's break it down in a simple possible way. The term state comes from the Latin word status, which means standing or condition. A state is a politically organized, self governing area with defined borders, a government, and most importantly, sovereignty. It's a legal and territorial concept. On the other hand, the word nation comes from natio, which means birth or people. A nation is a group of people who share a common language, culture, ethnicity, or history. It's more emotional, social, and psychological, but not legal. Now, let's take some example for better understanding. Now, we all know India is a nation. We are united by shared history and identity. But Assam is a state within India, a politically defined unit with its own government. Another example I would like to cite is USA. USA is a nation, but California is a state within USA. A nation is the soul, a state is the body. A state must have a fixed territory and sovereignty. A nation might not have either, neither fixed territory nor sovereignty. It's held together by common identity. A state cannot exist without sovereignty, but a nation can exist without political power like the Quds or Palestinians. A state focuses on law and order, governance, and territorial control, whereas a nation is often focused on unity, emotions, and shared belonging. We, the common people, often confuse the two terms because they overlap, but not always. In fact, a nation state is a country where both the nation and the state coincide. For example, like Japan. But a multinational state has many nations inside it, like India or Russia. So, a state is a political and legal entity. Point number one, that is the sum up, the summation. A state is a political and legal entity. Number two, a nation is a cultural and emotional entity. Now, I hope the difference is clear with you all. If this video helped you, please give a like, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. I would very love to hear your thoughts. I'll come with my next video where I will discuss about the topic citizenship. Thank you.